Today, we're going to take a quick look at Renderforest, an all-in-one branding platform that you can use to create amazing content for your YouTube channel, social media posts, and all aspects of your online branding. I'm going to give you a quick overview of everything you can do on the platform. Then I'll jump into a hands-on demo of some of the key features that I was most impressed with, and certainly I'll be taking advantage of myself to make content here on this channel and also for my social media accounts, including Instagram and Facebook. Now, if you want to check it out, head over to the renderforest.com website. I'll leave a link below. You can sign up for a free plan, which gives you access to most of the features, but with some limitations. There's a light plan, amateur, pro, and agency plans, which gives you access to more and more features, including higher res videos, unwatermarked content, more online storage, longer videos, and access to more stock videos and music. And if you do decide to sign up, be sure to take advantage of the special 10% channel discount offered by Renderforest. Information in the description box below. So head over there and create an account as I walk you through all of the main features of the platform. First of all, there is Video Maker. Depending on the plan you go for, you can make movies in 1080p to 4K quality with no watermarks. You can create a video from scratch or take advantage of the many varied templates and stock video and music, and I'll show you exactly how that works shortly. There's also a logo maker, which allows you to create unique, high quality PNG logos. If you opt for the Pro plan, you can get a commercial use license, and you also get to download a complete logo marketing kit, which includes the logo you created in various color variations, mock-ups, and social media formats, as well as the original vector EPS file, which allows you to conduct further editing if you choose to do so. If you're into tech products, I'm sure you're going to love the mockups feature. There are a huge number of templates you can use to add a logo to any image. For example, if you want to sell t-shirts on your channel, you could select the t-shirt mockup template, add your logo, and save it down as an image file that you could use to promote your t-shirts on your channel shop, and of course share it across social media. And these templates look really cool. I also love the devices option, which I can see using myself on this channel for on-screen demos of iPhones and computer images. If you need a website, you can set one up for free on the Renderforest subdomain. If you go for one of the paid plans, you can publish with your own domain. Whichever way you go, you get to access a broad range of customizable website templates for any purpose. These are really high quality, mobile responsive templates which look great on the desktop, tablets, and mobile devices. There's also a graphic design section called Graphic Maker that you can use to create pro-looking designs for marketing your offer. There's some great layouts and concepts for YouTube thumbnails, and there's even some really cool layouts for Instagram and Facebook posts and portrait format story graphics. So that's just a quick demonstration of the main features available on the Renderforest platform. Let's now go and take a hands-on look, a demonstration at how we can use it to create assets for our YouTube channel and social media posts. The first thing I want to show you is how to create a custom logo. So once you log into the website, we're going to click on the first menu item called Make Logo, and we're going to enter the brand name in the text field in the middle of the screen. So I'm going to enter my company name, which is Touch Technology Review, and then click on the Get My Logo button. Next, we can add a little bit more information, including a tagline. For example, I could put tutorials and reviews. And then we can add a description about our brand that will help inform the AI to analyze the keywords we've entered and then provide numerous logo options that might suit the brand. So let's just put a little bit of a description about my offering. And then we can select the style of the logo that we're after. There's a number of different visual styles that you can select, or if you're feeling lucky, you can select the first option, and that will allow the AI to pick for you. So for this particular demo, I am feeling lucky. I'm going to select that option and then click on the next button. As soon as you do that, you'll see a number of logo options appear on the left-hand side, and you can scroll down, click on each one, and you'll see them presented on these layout screens in the middle section to give you an idea of what your logo is going to look like on different types of media. Once you've found a logo that you like, you can click on the edit and download button on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. You can make further changes to the logo, including the typography, the font style, the font size, and you can also modify the position of the icon against the typography. Once you've completed all that, click on download. If you're on a free plan, you get access to the low-res PNG version of that logo. And if you're on a paid plan, you'll get access to the high-res PNG, along with the vector version of that logo and supporting files for using your logo commercially. Let's now go and put that logo to use by creating an intro video for the YouTube channel. Renderforest has some amazing video intros for YouTube or for any other video for that matter. So I'm going to go into the intros and logos section of the website, and there's a whole range of video templates that I can add my logo to and some custom typography to create my own unique YouTube intro. And once you find one that you want to use, click on the Create Now button to modify the template. On screen, you'll see two placeholder sections. The first one is for your logo. To add a logo, simply click on it and then upload your logo file. You can resize the logo to fit within that container. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. And if you want to add some subtext to your logo, you can add it in the text field. I'm going to leave the text field blank for this example, but certainly if you want to add some subtext, you can do that here. Click on the style option to change the font style, and then click on the music icon if you'd like to change the default music. These templates all come with their own suggested audio track, but if you'd like to try something different, just scroll down and preview some of the provided options. If you find a track that you prefer, click on the X button on the audio track in the timeline at the top of the page, and then click on the plus button to add your preferred music track. Once you've made those changes, click on the preview button, click on free preview to get a 360p watermark version of the video, or click on the HD export option if you want a high-res version, and that will be available to those of you who have taken out a plan with Renderforest. And as a reminder, if you are interested in signing up to Renderforest, be sure to hit that link in the description box below, where you get access to a generous channel discount. Let's take a look at the end result. That's absolutely awesome. But before I decide on that as my new channel trailer, I'm going to show you one more that I created behind the scenes. This has a more metallic finish. I also think this is super cool. Let me know which one you prefer, option A or option B. Now that we have our amazing intro video, let's go ahead and take a look at how we can use Renderforest to create dynamic slideshow videos. To do that, I'm going to click on the slideshow menu item. I can scroll through the thumbnails on the page until I find one that I'm interested in, click on it, and then click on Create Now. Click on the Add Media button, and I'll upload my files from a folder on my computer. Select all the photos at once, and then you'll see them appear one next to the other. You can pick them up and drag them around to change the order. And you can also click on the import option if you'd like to add more photos. Click on the title option to add a title that will appear at the beginning of the slideshow. Go back to edit, roll over each photo, and you can add a custom title to each photo if you'd like to do that. I'm going to leave mine blank for this example. Click on music to add a music track to your slideshow. Once you've done that, click on the preview button on the top of the screen to preview your slideshow, and then you can export it out to the desired resolution. Another awesome feature of Renderforest is the ability to create customizable music visualizers with photos. This is ideal for DJs, artists, or anyone putting together a music mix to upload to platforms such as YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and select this retro futuristic music visualizer, click on Create Now, and to modify it, all you need to do is to click on the placeholders on screen to add your own custom logo and typography. Then click on the Music tab to add your own audio track to the video. Click on Preview and then export your video. Let's take a look. That would make an awesome video accompaniment to any electronic music track. And no matter how long your audio track is, you'll get this infinite loop effect. Let's take a look at just one more music visualizer example. This time I'm going to use the Turntable Beats visualizer, and I'm going to add my own custom graphics for the vinyl. I'll also add a music name and artist name along with a custom logo. I'll add a music track, preview it, then export it. Let's take a look. Yet another great example of one of the many music visualizers that you can customize here on the Renderforest platform. Before we go, let's take a look at another example of a video you can create on Renderforest, this time a whiteboard animation or explainer video. These are commonly used on YouTube or for corporate presentations, and there are a whole range of templates that you can choose from. You can add your own scene one by one or load a preset. All you need to do is to go in and change the typography and some graphic elements to suit your particular theme, and you can create an explainer video in a matter of minutes. Let's just take a look at the eLearning Academy promo template and how I would use that in order to create my own explainer video. I can click on the template and click on play to preview, and then click on use ready story to go into the edit mode. There are 10 scenes in this particular template. In order to customize this to my requirements, I would simply click on the thumbnail at the base of the screen, then click on the placeholder element to add my own logo and custom graphics, and then enter my custom text into each of the text fields. Let's go and take a look. So there you go. There's just another example of how you can use Renderforest to create your own custom explainer video. Obviously, there's so much more that you can do with Renderforest. I hand selected a few of my favorite templates to demonstrate its capabilities. If you want to check out all these templates and more, head over to renderforest.com. And don't forget to take advantage of the special channel discount information provided in the description box below. Thanks for watching this introductory video on how to use Renderforest to create logos and engaging video content for your YouTube channel and social media posts. If you have any questions about the content you've seen here today, drop them in the comments box below. If you'd like to see more videos on the topic, let me know about that as well. And certainly if you enjoyed the video, hit me up with a like and consider subscribing to the channel so that you're notified of up and coming video releases. See you on the next one. Bye for now.